Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a sandwich, avocado sandwich. So all you need are these. Oh yes, remember to subscribe and yep. So we are going to have our carrots, tomatoes, avocado and onions, and of course our bread. So of course you start by mashing your avocado. Mash it very well and well. That is the list of the ingredients, and of course, yep, mash it very well to your preferred. I prefer mine smooth, so you can blend it, you can do it with a fork. It depends what you have. I normally am an advocate of use what you have to make yourself something to eat. So please, have you liked the video yet? Do it. So we are done doing that. As you can know, I'm a fan of black pepper. Like, black pepper is the thing. So I'll put that, and of course with salt. You can put in cinnamon, you can put in whatever you want, but for me today I use just salt and black pepper. So you mix them all up and you are ready to go. It is a very simple breakfast, easy, quick, like on your fingertips. So you can try it and tell me how it tastes, or if you've ever tried it, let me know. So now it is time to spread our avocado mixture on our bread. It is so heavenly when I know you're going to love it. It is so, I'm a fan of avocado, so anything avocado-ish. Please let me know what I can try out with some avocados and I'll be here. So you spread it very well on your slice of bread. You can use a bun, you can use as you know, I'm an advocate of use what you have. So a bun, please. Let me know how it tasted on a bun. So of course you are done doing that. You can see that. How does it look? I feel like eating it already. So I put there my other slice of bread. It is a very good snack for kids, for adults, for old people. It is like amazing. See that? Isn't a sandwich so nice? See all that mixture, see all that. When you taste it, you feel like, yes, I've done it myself and it is so yummy. Please let me know how it tasted, how you love your avocado. My sister likes it with like plain avocado, but oh god, I need to show her this. She needs to try it. So yeah, remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends this recipe. Like, they need to watch. Share with your friends. Yeah, so that is it. You can have it with a cup of yogurt, with a cup of tea, black, white, yellow. Okay, so that is it. Remember to subscribe. See you in the next video.